transform.position movement longhand vector 3 method. To move the object, we manipulate the transform's position property by assigning it a new vector 3 value. The vector 3 consists of 3 components: the x-axis value, followed by the y-axis value, and finally, the z-axis value enclosed in brackets. This are movement directions with vector 3 values. Time.delta time is used in Unity game engine to make the action independent of frame rate. The line of code works similarly on all devices regardless of FPS. Therefore, your object will rotate the similar amount of degrees in all devices in a fixed amount of time.